can't say that.
I know. That's why I tried to get it out before you started recording.
There's some stuff we want to say, but we can't say it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Welcome back to Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
I'm your host, Bullethead. I'm my co-host,
Lokebear. What's up,
Lokebear.
guys?
Put a name right here, right above us. Oh man, welcome back, man. First off, I want to give a big shout out to Jerk Dat 4734 East Flamingo. Jerk Dat man. Shout out to Jerk Dat, man. We love y'all, man. Caribbean cuisine, #1. Say it with me.
#1 in Las Vegas.
#1. Say it with me. And with that being said, we're going to eat somewhere. Nice little food review. Cooking with Gas food truck.
Mm-hmm.
Cooking with Gas.
Cooking with gas.
Gastineau. So, there's like a few things about Gastineau I want to talk about. Gastineau started in his house catering, moved up to a food cart, the kind that's like food cart, you know, like the elote, like the hot dog cart, like the elote man damn near. Then moved up to the food truck. You wouldn't believe now he's about to be tailgating at the Raiders Stadium. Hopefully we'll get that exclusive when they do that, you know, Raiders Stadium,
That would be
tailgate
dope.
parties, Raiders. I don't know nobody tailgate like Raiders fans, except for Bears fans. But this should be dope.
And you said he opened a food truck during the pandemic, right?
During the pandemic, he came out on top. So that goes to show that you guys can do whatever you set your mind to do. He has gumbo Wednesdays. Today is red bean Mondays. Red beans and rice Mondays. Red beans and rice Mondays. Jambalaya Tuesdays.
Jambalaya Tuesday. Gumbo Wednesday.
Gumbo Wednesdays.
Off Thursday.
Off Thursdays.
Mardi Gras Pasta Fridays.
Boy, that's ridiculous. And he's coming to a Smith's near you. He's gonna be going to Smith's all over the valley, I believe. And I don't know if it's Kroger, but I know for sure it's Smith's. So if you live next to a Smith's grocery store, he's gonna be popping up at a Smith's by you, so you can go and check him out. I've tried his jerk chicken. It is fire. But I want to go try this red beans and rice. You ready? Let's go show some love. Cooking with Gas. Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
Lokebear. You want to say what's up to anybody?
Obviously, my Canistars family, I always gotta shout them out. You
Mm-hmm.
know,
That's right.
show them some love. Miss B, Miss Alex, and everybody.
That's what's up. And you know what? Let's give a shout out to everybody from last night.
Yes.
Everybody from last night at
Everyone in
Canistar.
the Canna Cruisers.
Yeah, Canna Cruisers, right on LV. Crank and Grind.
Crank and Grind.
Oh, who's the hat? Yo.
Oh, God.
Honey
Labs.
Honey Badge.
Badgers.
Honey Badger.
Daniel. Shout out to Daniel.
Yeah,
who was,
Daniel.
there last night with us.
Yeah. You know, everybody that came out. My homeboy Marlon.
Was the Medicated
man,
Barbies.
Dave Jones. Medicated Barbies. It was a vibe.
It was a vibe. I loved it so much.
Yo, this bike ride kicked my... I can't say it, but you know, it's a family show, but it, you know what it did.
I feel great.
I feel wonderful too. It just, my butt cheeks hurt. Let's go. All right. See you when we get there. Cooking with Gas, Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
Now you here with Cooking with Gas. I'm out here, one of my biggest vendors, which is Smith's. The start of Red Bean Mondays, Jambalaya Tuesdays, Gumbo Wednesdays, and Mardi Gras Pasta Fridays. On the weekends, we're just gonna do a miscellaneous. We got jerk chicken, ribs, and just Cajun rice and green beans. But yes, once again, today we out here on spot, kicking it with Cooking with Gas, and we're out here with Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
Yeah.
Big shout out to them.
Easy, man. That's dope. That's it. Now we up. We up now. Plugged in. Ready? All right, welcome back to Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
New drip alert. We're at Cooking with Gas, 8050 South Rainbow. Right on the corner of Rainbow and Windmill in the Smith's parking lot. Cooking with Gas today is red beans and rice Monday. So we got red beans and rice, some sausages, I believe, and some cornbread. Home cooking from New Orleans. Big shout out to Cooking with Gas for having us. Big shout out to Jerk That, 4734 East Flamingo. Shout out to Lokebear.
What's up?
And shout out to everybody watching, man. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Come check out Gas. You can follow his Instagram, Facebook. Cooking with Gas. Man, we'll show you what the food looks like in a second. Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Jenny with Cooking with Gas. Want to give a shout out to Bullethead House. Thanks for coming
Bullethead's
out,
house.
supporting us small businesses out here. We're originally from Louisiana. Best homemade Cajun food you will get. So come out, try us out. We're here at the Smith's parking lot on the corner of Rainbow and Windmill. You won't be disappointed.
Easy. That was easy. Yeah. Ready? Welcome back to Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
We had to come inside. It's raining. Cooking with Gas, man. I'm gonna tell you like this: if you like that Cajun Creole Southern cooking, this is the spot to go. I love it. I put that cornbread inside of here, in this red beans and rice to soak it all up, and it's over. Ain't gonna lie to you. 10 on the win. So shout out to Gas for having us. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a 10 on the win. Lokebear, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
You know what I mean? I appreciate you. Gas is a 10, man, on the win. The spicy sausage is hitting. It ain't quitting. Shout out to Jerk That. Number 1. Say it with me.
Number 1 Caribbean in Las Vegas.
4734 East Flamingo. That's our sponsor. So big up to Jerk That. Big up. Big things coming. We just came over here with Gas, man. Gas, Cooking with Gas LV. Y'all tap in with them. I'll put their info right here. And y'all have a good night, man. Good day. Like, share, subscribe, and
hit that bell. Get the notification every time we post.
We're up out of here. Bullethead's house.
Bullethead's house.
Smacking though. At Red Bean Monday. Easy. Easy. With the hot link is spicy.
I like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in there for sure.
My dad would like this hot link.
Mm.